Hello guys and welcome to a new airsoft video, this time at Distrito in Madrid, and you will see that I encounter a couple of these guys that doesn't feel the hits the same way you and I do. Enjoy! Oh yes, I forgot to mention, in this field there's a simple rule that I failed to follow that said, if you shoot someone with a pistol, keep shooting him until he raises his hand, because sometimes pistol fails and people doesn't feel the hit, and that's where I get angry later on this video, but I had no reason at all. So you hear the laughing and you see the guy. That's the same guy I have an encounter later on this video, and I was really upset at the moment, but understanding the rules of the field, actually it was my fault for not keeping shooting him at the moment, and also by shooting his mate so closely with the rifle. So entering the favelas at Distrito is always challenging, because there's a mix between CQB and long-range shooting, and if you are not aware of your surroundings, you get stacked so easily as I do in this video.
No, soy de los tuyos.
Okay, let's get into the action that I promised you before. You see the guy and you decide. Okay, here I got upset, and I shouldn't be. Well, he was shooting at me with the rifle so closely, but that's a different story. Okay, just for fun, let's see this shot on a slow motion. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed. I leave you with a picture of my team, Rangers Reenactment Battalion, and a little clip of what's to come on this channel on next week.
3, 2, 1, dispararles ya.